guys, it's Amelia Frank. Welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna make cassava cake and I will make my own version of it. Okay? So here are the ingredients. These are all the ingredients, guys. So alam niyo naman na ang main ingredients ay grated cassava. Ayan. Frozen pero defrosted na siya. 1 pound. At saka ito, big can of coconut milk, condensed milk, sweet makapuno string. Ito, kalahating cup na brown sugar. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya nito, cassava flour. 1/2 cup. 2 eggs. At ito ang naiiba. So, lalagyan ko siya ng 1/2 cup na black walnuts, ground black walnuts, and my secret ingredients, Moringa powder. So, lalagyan ko siya ng 1/4 cup na Moringa powder. So, let's start, guys. I will start the cake. At ito pala, I forgot this. I will put butter. 1 bar of butter, okay? So, start na tayo, guys. Inilagay ko na ang 1 pound na grated cassava. Tapos, kalahati lang muna nitong coconut milk. Mag-iiwan muna ako dyan. And kalahati din nito condensed milk. Ito rin, hindi ko ito uubusin. 1/2. Pwede ko na siya ilagay. Ilagay ko na lahat. 1/2. Ayan. At brown sugar. Pagsasama-samahin ko na sila lahat. 1/2 na cassava flour. Tapos, haluin muna. Halo lang siya. Now, ilalagay ko tong butter. 1 bar na butter. At dito ko babatihin ang itlog. 2 itlog. Ayan. Halo-halo lang. So guys, i-on na pala natin tong ating oven. 350. I will put the Moringa powder. Dahan-dahan lang dahil umaalikabok. Umaalikabok. Okay. Maganda to kasi kumakain ka ng matamis, at least kumakain ka rin ng gulay. And Moringa powder is a miracle plant. Maraming gamot yan sa ating katawan, sa ating kalusugan. So, mabuti kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Marami dyan malunggay. Dito, palaging wala. Mahirap makahanap dito ng malunggay leaves. So, at least ito may powder. Mas madali. Kahit saan, pwede mo siyang ihalo. Okay. Sige pa, halo pa. Halo lang. O, ayan guys. Halong-halo na siya. Ilagay na natin tong walnuts. Ground black walnuts. Ayan. So, yan na ang last. Sasabihin nyo, kakaiba itong paggawa ko ng cassava cake, ha? Mahilig kasi ako sa experiment. Lahat, ini-experiment ko. Pag nasarapan ako, okay. Pag hindi ako nasarapan, okay din. O at least, ginawa ko kung anong naiisip kong gawin, di ba? Talagang ganyan. You have to think. Para malaman mo kung masarap ba o hindi, di ba? Okay? Ngayon, i-set aside muna natin siya at lagyan natin to ng butter. Butter. I was gonna put oil, but it's okay. I can just put butter. Yan ng maraming butter para hindi dumikit. Yan. Yung isa naman. Okay, butter lang siya, butter. Okay guys, ayan na. Nalagyan na natin ang butter. So, hatiin na natin to. Yan muna. Tapos dito. Kakaiba, di ba? Color green. Pero gusto ko to. Kasi masustansya to. Di na ako umiinom ng vitamins ko ngayon dahil palagi na akong nagdi-greens. Okay. That's it. Ready to bake na siya. Okay. Lagay na natin dito. So, lagay na natin to. At maghintay lang tayo ng 30 minutes pagkatapos ito. 30 minutes. Let's wait for 30 minutes. At itong natira, pagsasamahin ko siya dito para sa toppings. Nakalimutan ko pala yung cheese. Nakalimutan ko yung cheese. Yan, tsaka ito. Yan. Para mamaya to sa toppings. So, after 30 minutes, let's check our cassava cake. Mm. Still a little wet, but I think it's okay now to put this. Because if we're not gonna put this, it will get burned. So I will put the topping now. I think it's not okay. Let's put more there. Okay. And we'll put it back. It's hot. Ooh. Put it back inside. Huwag ka matapon. Okay. And wait ulit tayo. Mga 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes siguro yan. Para maging 45 minutes. Okay. So, okay guys. After 15 minutes, let's check our cassava cake. It smells good. So I think it's okay now. We're just gonna let it sit and get cold. Palamigin lang muna natin ito dahil mainit pa. It looks good. Okay, and this is our cassava cake. Okay. And let's wait. Maghintay tayo. Pag lumamig na, chicken ulit natin. Tignan natin guys kung okay na ba to. Let's check. Let's check this. I wanna try it. Okay. So let's turn it around. It's still hot. Wow, look. Look at that. It looks good. I love it. I wanna try it. Good. Try this, guys. It's good. Yeah, you can taste a little bit of the moringa powder, but because it's sweet, it's okay. It's good, and it's good for your health too. A big thumbs up. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope you like my video. So watch for another video. Remember to click the bell button, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you and have a wonderful day. Bye. See you next time.